Unbox the PEERCE 13.3-inch 6+ 128G Android 11 Car Multimedia Radio, a high-performance 2D head unit designed to upgrade your in-car entertainment and navigation experience. Featuring a QILED touchscreen display, this Android 11-powered multimedia system delivers crisp visuals, smooth performance, and seamless connectivity. With built-in CarPlay and Android Auto, you can mirror your smartphone for hands-free calls, audio streaming, and navigation. The powerful DSP audio system ensures superior sound quality, while the subwoofer support enhances bass for an immersive audio experience. The device also supports 4G and 3G networks, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity, keeping you online and connected at all times. This head unit comes with steering wheel control compatibility, a built-in GPS module, and a split-screen feature, allowing you to multitask effortlessly. Whether you're navigating with Google Maps, watching YouTube, or adjusting sound settings, the intuitive user interface makes it all seamless. It also includes a reversing camera input, ensuring safe parking and maneuvering. Equipped with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM, this multimedia system offers fast processing speeds and ample storage for apps, audio, and videos. The package includes a remote controller, enhancing convenience and usability. Built for universal 2D installation, the PEERCE 13.3-inch Android 11 car stereo is a perfect upgrade for those looking to enhance their driving experience with advanced technology.